Good morning, children. Today we are going to do chapter 7 of maths. Can you see the pattern? Before we start the chapter, let's try to make some patterns with a simple paper cutting. You can see some designs being kept here. Now each one is same and each one is called a motif. Now all are kept in the same manner. So this is one pattern. If I turn the alternate ones upside down, then it will form a different pattern. This is up, this one is down, third one is up, fourth one again I'll turn it downwards, then fifth up, and sixth one again if I turn it downwards, you can see a new design or a new pattern being formed here. So this is a rule, one up, one down, then up, down. You have already learned about turns, half turn, full turn, 1/4 turn. All this you have already learned in a previous chapter. So here each motif is turned half. Each one is given a half turn. So one is up, one is down, up, down, up, down. So this is a new pattern formed. Similarly, the same ones can be arranged like this. This is up, then 1/4 turn. This will go down, third, then it will turn like this, then up, then again it will turn right side. Okay, try to understand the rule here. What is the rule? Each motif is turned 90 degree, which is called 1/4 turn. So up, then right, down, left, up, right, the next one will be down, then left. So this is again a pattern formed. So different rules can be made and you can form different patterns using the same motif. Each one is called a motif. Okay, so here you can see two different patterns formed. See this, this is the motif. It's up here, it's down. Up and down means it is a half turn. Okay, and in this pattern it's up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. So this is a 1/4 turn pattern. So same motif, but both the designs formed are different. Now let's see here turns and patterns. In the first one you can see it's written, the rule is written, rule 1. Repeat it with 1/4 turn. So first motif is turned 1/4, then again it is turned 1/4, third time again it is turned 1/4. So every time it is turned 1/4 and a pattern is formed. Second rule is repeated with half turn. So here the motif is up and down, that is half turn. The third rule is repeated with 3/4 turn, and each one is the motif is turned clockwise, that is right side. So here 3/4 turn means half and 1/4. So it is turned half and 1/4. So this portion has reached here. Again, if this is half and here it will come, so that is 3/4. Okay. You can move the same pattern anti-clockwise, that is left hand side, 1/4. So you will get this pattern only. Okay. This is straight, then left, down, right, straight, left, down, right. That will be the pattern if you move anti-clockwise direction. This is clockwise direction. If you move in the other direction, if you move it like this, it will be anti-clockwise. Okay, now you have to complete this exercise in your textbook. See what is the pattern followed or what is the rule followed, and make the remaining two on page number 100 and on page number 101. On page 102 you have Again, patterns given. You have to find out the rule followed, write the rule here, and 3 figures are given. Which will be the 4th figure according to the rule? That you have to select from here and put a mark here. You have to put a tick mark here. Like here, you can see this portion is up, then it's turning, and again it is taking a turn. Now, which one will be the next figure? Here, this one. And what is the rule here? What is the turn? How much is the turn? That rule you have to write here. And similarly, you have to complete this exercise, all 4 of them. Then on the next page, here, page number 103, you have this exercise. The design is already made for you, but one of the motif is not placed correctly. There is a break in the rule. So which picture is breaking the rule? You have to mark that picture and you have to correct that picture. Let's first see this one. It is easy to understand. It's right. The tip is on the right, down, left, top. Right, then it should come down, but here it's gone up. So this is the picture which is breaking the rule. Same thing you have to do for the remaining pictures. Find out the picture which is breaking the rule. You can see here a box or a square which has some numbers written inside, and this is a magic square. Why is it a magic square? Because when you add the numbers, either you add them horizontally or you add them vertically or you add like this cross way, the sum of all the numbers will be same. For this magic square, the rule is the total of each line is 150. So you have to find the missing numbers. So that's easy. Here the 2 numbers given to you are 47 and 52. When you add these 2 numbers, you get 99. The sum of these 2 numbers is 99. And here one number should be there, and these 3 numbers, their sum should be 150. So if these 2 are 99, then what should be the number here? It should be 51, because 51 plus 99 or 51 plus 52 plus 47 will give you 150. Okay, you got this number. You got 51, you got 49. So 51 plus 49 gives you 100, and another 50 will give you 150. So the number which is here is 50. 51 plus 50 plus 49. So this is diagonally also, it is giving you 150. You got 51, you got 46. So what is the total of these 2 numbers? It is 97. 97 plus one number here should give you 150. So can you guess which number it will be? It will be 53. 53 plus 46 plus 51 will give you 150. See, we got the 3 numbers 53, 50 and 47, and when you add these 3 numbers you will get 150. Now 53 and 49, 2 numbers are there. So 53 plus 49 gives you 102. And 102 plus which number will give you 150? It is 48. Only one number is left now. And what were the numbers? Fill this square using numbers from 46 to 54. So we have 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So only number left is 54. You check it this way, you will get 150. Add like this or this way or this way. Every way you will get the total sum 150. That is why it is called a magic square. We have one more magic square here. Only one number is given, but 2 things are given to you. Fill this square using all the numbers from 21 to 29, and the rule is the total of each side is 75. So suppose here it is 25, so I can put here 24, and if I put here 26, Then 26, 25, 24, the sum becomes 75, our rule. If I give you just one number here, 21, now I'm sure you can fill up all the numbers. Add these two, subtract from 75, you'll get this number. After you get this number, you can add these two, subtract from 75, you'll get this one. Once you get these two, you can find this one. So try to complete this magic square. I have solved half for you. Complete the remaining. Now let's see some patterns with numbers. You can see a hexagon, a six-sided figure. Here some numbers are given. Two numbers are in circle and one number is in a square box. And there is a very interesting pattern or relationship between these numbers. See, 10 and 7. These two are in circles and 10 sevens are 70. Similarly, 14 and 7 are in circles and 14 sevens are 98. These two circles you see, 14 fives are 70. Then here 13 fives are 65. So the number which is in the box or a square is the product of or is the multiple of these two numbers. Similarly here also 13 twos are 26. 2 tens are 20. So this way there is a pattern in this number which are arranged in hexagon. You have two more hexagons given in your textbook on page number 104. So you have to go the same way, like here it is 11 into 9. So 11 nines are 99. So you will write here in the box 99. 11 six are, you will write here 66. Same way 16 sevens are, 17 sevens are, sorry, this is 17 six are. This side 17 sevens are. Now here 9 multiplied with which number gives you 108? If you know the tables, you will know 12 nines are 108. So the number in this circle is 12. Okay, because 12 nines are 108. Now 12 sevens are how much? 84. So fill this. Similarly, you have to fill this hexagon also. Like 8 eights are 64. So here in this box 64 will come. 8 multiplied with which number gives you 104? That number you have to write here. Then that number multiplied with which number gives you 78? That number you have to write here. Okay. Like 4 multiplied with which number gives you 64? That is 16. So in this circle it will come 16. Then 16 eights are how much? You have to write in this box. So complete these two in your textbook. Here we have another interesting pattern of numbers. The numbers which are on the left hand side of equal to, this is equal to sign. Some numbers are on the left hand side, some are on the right hand side. But if you see, the numbers are same. Both sides you have 37, both sides you have 19, both sides you have 24. Same way in the second one. Okay, you have 600, you have 120 on both sides, you have 215 on both the sides. So same way you have to fill this blanks. See here 14, these two numbers are missing, but on the other side you have 34, 14 and 20. So now which are the two numbers? 34 and 20. You can write here 34, here 20, or you can write here 34 and here 20 anyway. Same way here in this one you can see two numbers are missing and here two numbers are given. Here 42 is given but here 42 is not there. So which number will come here? 42, which is here on the other side of equal to will be on right side also, and the other two numbers which are to be written here are 65 and 80. Same way you have to complete this. And fourth one, no numbers are given, so you can write any pattern of your own. This is only for addition, and same thing we can have for multiplication. 48 and 13 are multiplied, so these two also we can write 13 multiplied with 48. We can write three numbers here also. There are certain numbers which can be read same from left to right and from right to left. Such numbers are called palindromes. There are also some words and sentences. They are all called palindromes. Let's see some examples here. Numbers such as 121, 323, 4224, 565. All these are palindromes.
On reading these numbers from right to left, they will still be read the same. So these are palindromes. Now let's see some sentences. Here, no lemons, no melon. If you read it the other way, you can still read it as no lemons, no melon.
Now let's see how to get these magical numbers. Suppose a number is 43. If I interchange the digits, so it will become 34. I'll just put 4 here and 3 this side. So it will become 34. And when I add these two numbers, I get 77. And this 77 is that magical number which is read same from both the sides. Let's try one more number. Say 273. If I interchange the digits from last to first, then it will be 372. I have written it the other way, 372, that I have written here. Now if I add it, what do I get? 3 plus 2, 5. 7 plus 7 is 14, so 1 carried over. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 becomes 6. This is not a magical number. This is 645, and if I read from this side, it will be 546. So it is not a magical number. So what I'll do is, I will again interchange the digits. 645. Now I will write down below 546. I'll try to add again. 5 plus 5, 10 and 1 gives you 11. 1 carried over. This gives you 9. And 6 plus 5 gives you 11. The number is 19111 and 1911. Is it same? No, it's still not that magical number. So we will continue finding the magical number. Now again we will write the number in the opposite order. This number first, then 9, then this 1 and this 1. Okay, we'll read it this way, 1911. That is what I've written, 1911, in the opposite way. And now I'll add again. So I'll get here 2, here I'll get 10, here I'll get 11, and here I'll get 3. 3102 and 2031, they are not same. So this is again not our magical number. So we will continue. What we will do now? 3102 we will write in the opposite way. 2013. Let's write here 2013 and add it. So here I get 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 1 and 5. Now see. 5115, and from this side if I read, then also it is 5115. So this is the magical number. So this is the process of obtaining magical numbers. So you will do this exercise finding those magical numbers or palindromes from 28, 132. This I already showed in the example. These are also palindromes. This one already explained, and now see this. Step not on pets. And if I read from this side, then step not on pets. So try to find out many such palindromes, at least 3-4, and write them in your notebook. Let's see some calendar magic. You can see here a date calendar, and the numbers here, there are 9 numbers inside one square box. This square box can be made anyway, but there should be 9 numbers inside. Now you have to add all these numbers. All 3, 4, 5, 12, 11, 10, 17, 18, 19. When you add all these numbers, you will get an answer. But the easy way to find that answer is, see the central number. The central number is 11. This 11 you multiply it with 9. Remember, with which number you have to multiply? You have to multiply this central number with 9. So 11 9s are 99. So 99 is the answer to the sum of all this. You can check by yourself by adding all the numbers. The sum will be 99.
Let's try the same magic with a different set of numbers. In this green box you can see 9 numbers. So 9 numbers should be there inside the box. Which is the central number here? It is 20. Now this 20 you have to multiply with which number, do you remember? You have to multiply with 9. So 20 9s are 180. So sum of all these numbers which you can see inside this green box will be 180. You can check and confirm your answer.